to French Fry Trains. Today, we're going to be doing our first semi-truck here, and we're going to be building this Pepsi tractor trailer delivery truck. So let's get right into the build now. So the first step is to come wherever we want our front tire to be, and we're going to put a block of coal down. Then we're going to do 3 polished deep slate slabs on the upper hip box and another coal. On the front, 5 polished deep slate slabs on the upper hip box. Then right here, a deep slate tile block in the center and a wall on either side. Then 3 blocks across the top here. Then on each side of the front, put a temporary block with an orange candle on it. Take out the temporary blocks and put forward-facing smooth quartz stairs under the candle on each side. Then come over here, take polished deep slate slabs, and we're going to make a 3x8. Just like that. Then we'll come on top of this, and we're going to cover the whole thing 3 wide on the second layer with polished deep slate walls all the way to the back. Then we'll come up above these front tires and put an upside down, outward facing, smooth quartz stair on either side above the tires. Then behind it, a backward facing right side up smooth quartz stair on each side like this. And under that back stair, put a smooth quartz slab on the bottom on each side. Then directly above the tire, put a smooth quartz slab here and here. Now come 1 block in from the very back, put a coal block here for a back wheel, and 1 here. Then we're going to grab polished deep slate stairs and put an upside down stair in front of the wheel like this, and 1 on this side. Then we'll come up by the smooth quartz stair, and right down here put 2 polished andesite slabs, 2 polished andesite stairs above it. Do the same thing on this side. So 2 slabs, 2 stairs. Then behind that, a gray shulker box, and 1 on this side here. Then we're going to come up on this top middle at the front here, and we're going to do 2 rows of 3 smooth quartz right across here. Then 2 coming back on each side like this, a fence gate in here, turn around and a stair for a seat. Then 3 smooth quartz across behind it, and 1 on either side of the top on back. Then a black stained glass pane in the middle, and then come up and around this with black stained glass panes. Then 2 iron trapdoors in the middle here. Then a light gray stained glass pane right here for a mirror. 1 block from the front of the window, and then same thing on this side. Then under it, a lever under the mirror, a stone button in front of it. Same thing here, we need a lever under the mirror and a stone button in front of it. Then right here, an item frame. And come over to the other side and put an item frame here. Then we'll put 2 iron bars here, 2 here. Then we'll come up on this hood, and we're going to do this U shape of white carpet and a blue carpet in the center. Then 3 white carpet across the front of the window here. Behind that, we're going to do 3 smooth quartz slabs. Behind that, a smooth quartz stair on either side, and a warp stair in the center. Then a smooth quartz stair facing outward on either side behind this, and an upside down stair facing backward in the middle. Then we'll come up front here, and we're going to put a glow item frame on either side of the front with frog lights. Then we need to come in, and we're going to grab oak signs and dark oak signs. We're going to put an oak sign in the center down here, and then 2 dark oak signs on either side. And then come around this corner, a dark oak sign here, and 1 on this side here. Then we need to grab a regular item frame here, and also a light gray shulker box. And on each of the 4 wheels, we're going to put an item frame with the shulker boxes on them. Do the same thing on this side, an item frame on each wheel with a light gray shulker box on them. Now come behind the cab here, and we're going to put a warped fence gate sideways, and above it a mangrove. On this side, 2 mangrove buttons. Then we need to make a banner, so come into a loom with a black banner and brown dye and do the spade. This will be for the mud flap. So we're going to come on the back here and put one behind each of the back wheels. Then we can go ahead and put that banner in our inventory because we will need it later on for the trailer. Now we're going to come on the top outside edge of the back here and start above where this stair is and put polished andesite slabs up here on the upper hitbox. And we're going to turn that into a line of slabs that's 24 blocks long in total. Once you have 24 blocks here, on this back we're going to knock out this inner one and put a forward facing upside down polished andesite stair, and then another slab behind the stair so it's a block like that. Then we'll mark off where our rear wheels will be. So we're going to come 1 block forward from that stair, put a coal block, skip 1 and a coal block. Then on the upper hitbox behind this, a 3x3 of slabs, and another layer of slabs above it. Then a coal block on each side down here. Then come through, put item frames on each wheel with a light gray shulker box in them on all 4 wheels. Then we'll go in our inventory and grab that banner from earlier. And we'll put our mud flap banner on the back of the wheel here and here. Then we're going to come under this end block and we're going to put an outward facing polished andesite stair, then 3 slabs on the bottom and an outward facing stair here. Then 2 rows of slabs across this. And then up here, upside down stairs coming across. And on the upper hitbox, bring a line of slabs all the way forward to frame in this side. And we'll come up till it's right above this stair here. Then in this middle back here, we'll do a 3x3 of polished andesite slabs. Behind that, a deep slate brick wall on either side, a slab in the middle, and a slab on top of each wall. Come down here and put a temporary block, and we need to get an iron trap door down here on each side for the landing gear. Take off the temporary blocks. Then we'll come on this side of it here, and we're going to need to come in and grab a fence gate. You can use whatever color you want. I'm going to use dark oak. Put a dark oak fence gate right here. Then come back up on this middle, and we'll do another 3x3 of polished andesite slabs. Then behind that, we're going to do a 3x3 of deep slate brick walls. Then back here, go ahead and fill in the rest of this gap with our slabs here so it's all covered. Now come up here and we're going to do a column of 5 polished andesite on each side. And same thing back here, 5 polished andesite on each side. Then we need to grab our polished andesite slabs again because I forgot to fill in this gap, so put some slabs across here. Then on this bottom outside edge, we're going to do a full line of blue concrete all the way to the front. Same thing on this side, a full line of blue concrete on this side. Then in each corner, we're going to bring blue concrete up to the top and all 4 corners. Then we're going to come 1 block in from this outside edge to fill in behind it. So 1 block in from the outside, and we're going to bring blue concrete right to the top here and just fill in all this behind here. So that's going to be the background for our lettering. And we'll bring it right down till it's aligned back here. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side, so come over to this side and fill it up to the top with blue and bring that all the way down to the other end. just like that. Then we'll come on this left-hand bottom corner, do a blue concrete on the bottom, 2 blue concrete powders, and a blue concrete. Then on the next layer, we're going to do a red concrete, a smooth quartz slab on the upper hitbox, 2 blue concrete powder. Then on the next layer above that, we're going to do 2 red concrete, then a smooth quartz stair facing this way, and a smooth quartz block. On top, blue concrete, 2 red, and a blue. Then a column of 4 blue concrete right here. Now the logo on this side's done, and we have to do the other side. So we're going to come to the back on this side, on bottom, blue concrete, 2 blue concrete powder, blue concrete. Then a red concrete, a smooth quartz slab, 2 blue concrete powder. Then 2 red concrete, a stair facing this way, and a smooth quartz block. Then blue concrete, 2 red, blue, and 4 blue concrete in a column in front of it. Now we'll do our lettering. So we're going to come down in this corner with smooth quartz stairs. We're going to do an upside down stair facing forward, and a right side up above it. Then an upside down stair above that. Then right here, a stair facing this way, then one facing this way above there. Then we'll come over the top and a column in front of it of blue concrete. In front of this, an upside down stair facing backwards, right side up stair facing forward. So it looks like that. Then we're going to put a stair upside down here, then right side up here. Then upside down facing this way here, and a slab right here. Then come over and around that with blue concrete. Then we need to do another P, so upside down stair, right side up stair, then upside down stair above that, then right side up stair here, and stair here facing this way. Come over and around it with blue concrete. Then on bottom we're going to do back-to-back upside down stairs, then a right side up stair right here, then a slab here, a right side up stair. Actually, that needs to be an upside down stair like this, and then a slab, so it looks like that. Then come over and around this with blue concrete, then a column of 3 smooth quartz, and fill the rest of this with blue concrete. And now this side of the trailer's done, and we're going to have to do the same thing on the other side. So come around to this side, and we'll start down in this corner, and we're going to do an upside down stair, a right side up stair, then a right side up stair facing this way, then an upside down stair here, right side up here, so it makes this. Come over and around it with blue concrete. Then we'll come on bottom in front of this, upside down stair facing backwards here, then a slab right here, then up here we need to put an upside down stair like this, then a slab here. Then up here we're going to do a stair facing this way and an upside down stair. Come over and around it with blue concrete. Then down here, upside down stair, right side up stair, right side up stair here, then upside down stair here and right side up here. Come over and around that with blue concrete. Then down here, back to back upside down stairs, then a right side up stair, a slab, and then up in this corner, an upside down stair, and then a slab. Come over and around it with blue concrete, then a column of 3 smooth quartz, and fill the rest with blue concrete here. Now we're going to come up top. On the back, come 5 wide with polished andesite slabs, and we're going to fill the whole top of this trailer in with slabs. Now come on this front gap here, and we're going to fill this all in with smooth quartz blocks. Then Then on the top up here, we have to do the refrigeration unit. We're going to make a U shape of diorite walls and a deep slate tile wall in the center. Now we'll come and detail the rear end. So come back here. We're going to fill this whole back in with andesite walls, 3 wide up to the top. Then on the center of this, we're going to do a column of dark oak fence gates and open them all. Then on this very bottom, we're going to put a mangrove sign on each side and in the center. Then a birch sign in these 2 gaps. Do the same thing up here, so a birch sign here and here, and then mangrove signs on each side and in the center. Then we're going to put 2 acacia buttons on either side of the top. Come down here, 2 glow item frames on either side with redstone blocks. Then we're going to come on the side of this andesite column and put an acacia button on the bottom and top. Same thing here, button on bottom and top. Then come to the front, 1 on the bottom and top on this side up here, and on this side. Then we're going to take oak buttons on this first layer of blue concrete, and we're going to come all the way back and put a button every other block. Then we'll do the same thing at the top, aligned with the ones on bottom, a button every other block. But we'll skip where the logo is there. Then we're going to repeat the process on this side. So we'll do a button every other block down here. And then same thing on the top, except we're going to skip where the logo is. And then bring it forward every other block. Just like that. Now come into a loom with a red banner and blue dye. Put this triangle across it, switch to white dye and do a diagonal. And this is for the door logos on the cab, so put 1 on this item frame and 1 over on this item frame. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our Pepsi tractor trailer semi-truck here. I hope you enjoyed this build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone, have a great week. Stay safe out there.